The wind side.
The wind side consists of two parts: the rotating azimuth
and the sliding grid. The parts of the rotating azimuth side are
the wind correction angle, which is used to determine the wind correction angle and adjust the aircraft heading accordingly; the true index, the azimuth, and the center. The sliding grid has two sides:
the low speed side and the high speed side. Speed at the low speed side starts from 30 to a speed of 260, where the speed of the high speed side starts from 150 to a speed of 650.
The sides of the sliding grid could be used as a normal ruler to make lines or other markings. It's also used for measuring distances, one scale for nautical miles and the other for statical miles, where both sides could be used on sectional charts or world aeronautical charts.